Hello people of the internet. So I decided that I was just going to sit down and film 3 videos all at once, back to back to back. So I'm going to be filming now my Ipsy versus Sephora play for the month of March. Yes, March. So let's just go ahead and get started. If you watch my mom's channel, then you probably have already seen what I've gotten in both of them. So I'm just going to open both of them up just in case, for those of you who don't watch my mom's channel, compare them and tell you which one I like more for the month of March. So let's go ahead and start off with the Ipsy. So this is the bag this month. It says, "And off she went to change the world." And it has a cute little star zipper on it. It's super duper cute. Then you go ahead and open the Ipsy up. And it says it's National Women's History Month. And then it gives you a little list of everything that is in your bag. So the first thing that is in my bag is this I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. And it's a white pearlescent peel off mask. Let's see if I can open it carefully. You can see it in there. I really like masks like this, so hopefully I will like this one. I actually have not tried it yet. I've had my Ipsy sitting, waiting for me to remember to bring over my Sephora play. So I'm really excited to try that out. The next thing that I got in my Ipsy is a brush, and this is from the brand SL Miss Glam, and this is a short shader brush. So it's just a little short shader brush. Next up, we have a single eyeshadow. This is by the brand IBY Beauty, and this is a luxe eyeshadow. It's from the Poolside collection, I believe, and it is in the color Get Soaked. Oh, sorry if you can hear Bo snoring, by the way. He's sleeping over there because he was playing a video game on his phone and he fell asleep. So I'm just doing my thing, filming some videos. It just looks like this. It's a super cute pinky mauve color. I'm really excited to use that because I love using pinky mauves on my eyes, which I know, like, everyone's like, you should stay away from pinky mauves because it's going to make you look like you have pink eye. But, like, you know, if you do it decently, it's just, it won't look like pink eye. Anyways, next thing that I got is this Ciate London Lip Luster, and this is in the shade Kiss Me, and it is a light pink with gold shimmer reflex in it, and this is super duper cute, and it's sheer, so it's not like Barbie pink on your lips, so that's very nice. And then the last thing I got in here is amazing. It is a full-size Ofra highlighter in the color Star Island. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty going on right now, so I ordered the Nikki Tutorials Ofra collab, and I got the package that it should have been in today, but then it said, I read my email, and it said that they weren't sending it to me because apparently they oversold them, and they'll get it to me by April 3rd, so, yeah, April 3rd. So hopefully it's here by then. But I don't know. So that was everything that was in my Ipsy bag for the month of March. Let's go ahead and zip this up. And let's go ahead and open up the Sephora play. So getting into the Sephora play, normally it comes in a bag. I gave my bag to my mom because she makes bags for our local women's shelter. The Sephora bag has this little beauty bloom thing. Sephora points. This is everything that is in my bag. And both of these bags, I forgot to say this, they are customized to you. So it's like you go in, you put what your skin type is, what your hair type is, color, stuff, skin tone, eye color, stuff like that, your preferences with makeup, and I'm pretty sure your age range on, I know Ipsy, I don't know about Sephora. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get on started with this. So the first thing in here I got is this It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. I would say this is a deluxe size sample, honestly. It's pretty big. Of the Confidence in a Cleanser face wash. I have not tried this out yet, but I'm going to be taking it with me when I go back to Florida. Next thing I got is this Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This smells really nice, and this is going to be perfect for when I go back to Florida. I'm really excited to take this because it's the most perfect size. Like, it's like so, it's just the perfect size ever. It's so cute. I love it. So that's awesome. Then I got I love these NARS minis. This is the NARS mini of the Laguna bronzer. I just want to show you guys how adorable this is. It's so stinking cute. Lucy's getting tangled in my monitor cords right now. She got the gun, but it's just a little mini Laguna bronzer, which is so cute. And again, perfect for travel. I accidentally just nicked it with the little NARS paper thing that they have in there. So again, perfect for travel. I'm so excited. I'll be taking it to Florida with me. Then we got this mini Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Tint, and mine is in the color Y245, so Y245. And it looks like this, and this honestly kind of looks like it's going to be a little bit too dark for me. I don't know if I actually did this or if I'm imagining it, but I'm pretty sure I swatched it on the side of my face while doing Sephora with my mom, and I'm pretty sure it was too yellow for me, but I honestly don't remember. So let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing I got is a sample of this replica perfume. It is by Mason Margiela. If you guys watched my mom's video, I sprayed this on my wrist and I did not like it. I felt like it made me smell like a campfire. But there is a picture of a fire on this, so I'm gonna see if Bo likes it, and if he does, I'm gonna give it to him. But he's sleeping right now, so I can't ask him right now. And then the last thing I got in here is this Sephora Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. And it says that it instantly amps up lashes for big volume, saturated black pigment plus polymer to make lashes appear thicker and bolder, and nourishing jojoba seed oil helps prevent clumping and flaking. This mascara honestly sounds amazing, and I'm very excited to try it, but right now I have too many mascaras open, and I'm really trying to get through them and declutter my mascaras. So yeah, that's everything for my 2 boxes. This month, I think I really like them both, but I think I'm just going to go with Ipsy just because that full-size Ofra really just made my heart flutter. I was so excited because Ofra highlighters are amazing. So I just like so much. I'm so sorry. They're amazing. So that is why Ipsy definitely won for me this month. But Sephora may always win next month, so stay tuned for next month and see who wins Ipsy versus Sephora with my settings and my accounts. So yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to stay tuned for my future videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, I hope you are having a wonderful day, and kisses from Kentucky. Bye!